The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy. She stands tall in New York Harbor, a beacon of hope for all who see her. For over a century, she has welcomed millions to America's shores. The Statue of Liberty represents the ideals that America was built on: freedom, justice, and opportunity for all. Her torch shines brightly, a symbol of enlightenment and progress. Her tablet reminds us of the importance of liberty and justice for all. But the Statue of Liberty is more than just a symbol. She is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. She is a reminder that even the grandest of dreams can be realized. The Statue of Liberty continues to inspire people around the world. She is a symbol of hope for a better future. She is a reminder that we are all connected and that we must work together to create a more just and equitable world. The story of the Statue of Liberty began in France. In 1865, a group of French intellectuals gathered for dinner. They discussed their concerns about the state of democracy in France and also expressed their admiration for the United States. One of the guests was Édouard René de Laboulaye, a prominent French historian and abolitionist. He proposed the idea of a monument, a gift from the people of France to the people of the United States. This monument would celebrate the centennial of American independence and would also symbolize the shared values of the two nations. Another guest at the dinner was Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, a young sculptor. Bartholdi was immediately captivated by Laboulaye's idea. He envisioned a colossal statue, a female figure representing liberty, holding a torch high in the air, a symbol of enlightenment. Bartholdi's vision for the statue was ambitious. It would be the largest statue ever built. It would require the expertise of engineers, architects, and artisans from both France and the United States. But Bartholdi was determined to see his vision through. He believed that the Statue of Liberty would become a powerful symbol of freedom and democracy for the world. The Statue of Liberty was a marvel of engineering. It was constructed using a revolutionary technique, the repoussé technique, which involved hammering thin sheets of copper into shape over wooden molds. Over 300 copper sheets were used to create the statue's skin. The statue's internal structure was designed by Gustave Eiffel, the same engineer who designed the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel created a framework of iron pylon and steel. This allowed the copper skin to move independently, preventing it from cracking under the stress of wind and weather. The statue's torch was a particularly challenging engineering feat. It had to be both lightweight and strong enough to withstand high winds. Bartholdi consulted with renowned lighthouse designers to create a torch that would shine brightly, visible for miles around. The torch was also designed to be accessible. Visitors could climb up inside the statue to reach the torch's flame. The Statue of Liberty was too large to be shipped across the Atlantic Ocean in one piece. It was disassembled into 350 pieces and packed into 214 crates. The pieces were then shipped to New York on the French frigate Isère. The journey across the Atlantic was long and arduous. The Isère encountered storms and rough seas, but she arrived safely in New York Harbor on June 17, 1885. The arrival of the Statue of Liberty was met with great fanfare and excitement. Crowds lined the docks to witness the unloading of the crates. The statue's arrival was seen as a symbol of the strong friendship between France and the United States. It was also a sign of America's growing importance on the world stage. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France, but it quickly became an American icon. Section 5. Assembling a giant building Liberty in New York. Once the crates arrived in New York, the Statue of Liberty had to be reassembled. This was a complex and challenging task. It took a team of skilled engineers and construction workers 4 months to complete. The statue was assembled on a specially constructed pedestal on Bedloe's Island, which was later renamed Liberty Island. The pedestal was designed by American architect Richard Morris Hunt and was built with granite quarried from Connecticut. The reassembly of the Statue of Liberty was indeed a major engineering feat. The workers had to carefully lift and position the heavy copper pieces using a system of ropes, pulleys, and scaffolding. They also had to make sure that the statue's internal structure was perfectly aligned. Lady Liberty's secrets, hidden chambers, and untold stories. The Statue of Liberty has many secrets hidden within her copper skin. One of the most interesting secrets is the existence of a small chamber located in the statue's crown. This chamber is inaccessible to the public. Originally intended to be used as a viewing platform, it was never completed. The chamber is said to contain the original plans for the statue, as well as other artifacts from its construction. Another secret of the Statue of Liberty is that she was originally a dull copper color. The copper skin oxidized over time, giving the statue its distinctive green patina. This green patina actually protects the copper from further corrosion. It is one of the reasons why the Statue of Liberty has been able to withstand the elements for so long. A universal symbol, from immigrant welcome to global icon. The Statue of Liberty was originally conceived as a symbol of the friendship between France and the United States, but she quickly became something much more. She became a symbol of hope and opportunity for immigrants from all over the world. For millions of immigrants who arrived in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty was the first sight of their new home. She represented the promise of a better life, a chance to escape poverty, oppression, or persecution. The Statue of Liberty also became a symbol of American ideals, freedom, democracy, and justice. She was a reminder that America was a land of opportunity, a place where everyone could achieve their dreams. The enduring legacy Liberty's message through time. The Statue of Liberty has stood for over a century and has witnessed some of the most momentous events in American history, from the 2 World Wars to the Civil Rights Movement. She has also been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians. The Statue of Liberty continues to be a powerful symbol, representing hope and freedom for people all over the world. She is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can triumph. The Statue of Liberty is a monument to the enduring power of democracy and the importance of fighting for what is right. She is a symbol of the best of humanity, a reminder that we are all connected and that we must work together to create a more just and equitable world. Forever a symbol, hope for the future. The Statue of Liberty stands tall today as a symbol of hope for the future. She reminds us that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can prevail. The challenges facing the world today are many, but the Statue of Liberty serves as a symbol of resilience. The Statue of Liberty reminds us that freedom is precious and must be defended at all costs. She also reminds us that we are all part of something larger than ourselves. We are all citizens of the world. We must work together to build a better future for all. The Statue of Liberty's message of hope and freedom will continue to inspire generations to come. She is a symbol of the enduring power of the human spirit, a reminder that we can achieve anything when we work together.